March 8th, 2018, the tile making is going to begin on Under the Wing 66, the Sea Monsters and the Child with the Bird's Nest Scarf. In the Kielce ghetto in Nazi-occupied Poland, 1942. I went to Goodwill yesterday, came back with a bunch of mainly greenish, but a few kind of bluish plates and bowls. I hate to break up some of these because they're so nice, but art must continue. I actually have more than enough. What do we got? 3 there. More bowls here. And these two out of my kitchen cupboard. But the color is so nice. I've decided to use them, even though I really like them, especially that one, because I'm going to do the background first around the sea monsters, which is going to be like sea, river, blue-green. I broke a few older plates I had yesterday, kind of placed them randomly around. I also went through a flat file drawer and pulled out some shells. I have to look up and see exactly what these are. This one isn't a shell per se, and I'm not exactly sure what it was, but it was bioorganic life at some point in time, and I don't remember where I picked it up. Which ocean? Might have been in the Mediterranean, could have been Corfu, could have been Barcelona, could have been Haifa. Those are going in the garbage. I broke apart some bone I had picked up in the ocean beach somewhere, and ended up with 2 usable pieces for those 2 teeth and the sea monster there. And I also pulled out various rocks, shells, and a bone from the flat file, like my natural history drawer. I'm assuming this is coral. I don't remember where I got it, but it might have been West Palm Beach, Florida. 1 rock. This, not sure if this is a rock or coral or what, but it has a very textural surface. This is from a beach. Actually, I think this is from Old Friend's Garden in East Anglia, near Sudbury, Suffolk, England, from many years ago. A shell, that side's really interesting. In terms of adhering, I'm going to have that side up. I don't remember where this is from either, but very flat there. Same thing with this bone, which might have been from, I'm guessing, Barcelona or Corfu. These 2, one of them I brought back from my mom's apartment. She just turned 99 the other day. I had brought back from Florida, West Palm Beach, during visits there over many years in the late 1988 to 2010. I used to swim in the ocean on occasion there. And this rock I picked up on the street where my mom lives now, again, age 99. So there you have it, to be continued. This is where I do the tile cutting. I wear protective glasses, and I'm going to put a piece of plastic over here so when I'm breaking apart plates and bowls, a lot of fragments and dust and stuff stays in here as opposed to flying out and hitting me in the eye. All right, there you have it for now, to be continued.